Welcome to the Northville location of Reset Brain and Body. We are a mental health practice that strives to share the benefits of a more mindful lifestyle with our local community through holistic therapeutic care that integrates both the mind and body. Our team provides expert care for individuals experiencing struggles with ADHD, anxiety, athletic performance, stress and burnout, substance use, past trauma, and more through in-person and virtual therapy sessions. You can expect our therapists to use methods such as EMDR, coaching, and creative expression-based therapies such as art, music, play, and dance therapy to provide you with the highest quality of care. Ready to begin your healing journey? Please contact us at 734-531-8563 or fill out the client inquiry form on our website. We look forward to seeing you here at 341 East Main Street very soon.